Hello again, everyone. Today we're going to go over two different UIs that we were kind of looking at rolling out to provide access to the large language models that we deal with. Right on the left-hand side, you see we have just a short form interactive model, and that's just basically general descriptions, explanations, things like that. Paste one that I have in there. It says you will explain asymmetric warfare, long slow bleed, and provide a brief example. Right. So we're going to look at, I think, this UI, and we have some internal back and forth. Like, this UI is kind of straightforward for short form. So we have this one on the right that we're going to use, and we've kind of, made it try to mimic the current, I guess, ChatGPT UI, right? Since it's so popular. And so we have this prompt that we'll throw in, and this prompt is kind of a cutout of this one, right? So this is basically running through a higher order thinker, exercising the pinnacle of critical thinking. So you're going to try to combine all of these concepts and psychologies and technologies and provide a business plan or an implementation plan for a business to leverage all of this. So this, I'll tell you where we get this. This comes from one of the back-end solutions that we're working on for business strategy generation. And so if you look at this, it's so it just goes through, and this is generated out of 14 billion possibilities that we've managed to throw together. So we're going to be releasing that as well, probably in the next couple of months, so that way it can, kind of help small businesses, develop strategies without, leaning on, or develop newer strategies, nuanced strategies without leaning on, higher price consultants, things like that. So then it provides a use case. But, once again, we do have to continue the prompt because of the prompt window. So just type in complete, and it'll continue to generate the rest of the use case for that strategy. This is just two of the directions that we're taking for both long and short form analysis, prompting tools, things like that, to kind of, better provide what it is you want. Just kind of, once again, just a heads up that these are the directions that we're going in, looking at the darker screens, the dark themed UI for both short as well as long form content, because sometimes, you want to go in and you don't want to see all your chat history, things like that. You just have a quick request, and then other times you have some, extensive, research to be pulled out. So you want to kind of generate that type of content. There you have it, long and short form UI for whichever you're in the mood for. Thank you for your time.